Welcome to DTwin. This is your generative market research platform. On the left, you have the main navigation. Panel Hub is where you see all your panels. Research Lab is where you launch new activities. Projects is where you find your completed research. At the bottom, you always see which panel is currently active. Let's start by creating your first panel. To create a panel, click the plus button in Panel Hub. The wizard has 5 simple steps. Step 1. Give your panel a name. For example, Expanding Running, unlocking the non-runner opportunity. Step 2. Select the country. We currently support 28 countries. Step 3. The AI proposes a brief automatically based on your title and country. You can accept it, modify it, or write your own from scratch. Step 4. Select your use case: product development, marketing and communication, market analysis, pricing and strategy, or other. Step 5. Review everything. You can go back to any previous step if needed. Click Launch to start generating your panel. Generation takes about 20 minutes. You'll receive an email when it's ready, and your panel card will appear in Panel Hub. Once your panel is ready, click on it to explore. You'll see 5 tabs with different data views. The first tab is Socio-demographics. Here you see gender split, age distribution, and income levels. Also geographic spread, education, and relationship status. Every chart can be exported as PNG or CSV. The second tab is Lifestyle and Consumption. Interests, hobbies, diet preferences, physical activity. Device ownership, streaming platforms, payment methods. The third tab is Brands and Touchpoints. Brand rankings by category: international, local, luxury, tech. Social media usage and shopping channel preferences. The fourth tab is Clusters. Here you'll find all your saved segments and filters. We'll cover this in detail in the Filters section. The fifth tab is Panel Composition, a full table with all digital twins and their attributes, about 40 columns of data per twin. You can search and export everything as CSV. Filters let you focus on specific audiences. Click Filters to open the right sidebar. At the top, you see your saved clusters. One click applies any saved cluster instantly. Below, you have all the filter categories: gender, age, country, city, education, job title, industry, relationship and family status, income. Select any combination you need. All charts update in real time. When you have a useful filter combination, save it. Click Save Cluster and give it a name. Your cluster now appears in the Clusters tab. There are 2 types of clusters. Manual clusters show your applied filters. AI clusters come from segmentation with detected patterns. Both work the same way. One click applies them. Segmentation uses AI to discover hidden patterns in your panel. Go to Research Lab, and in the Segmentation section, click Create Segmentation. A modal opens. Enter a name for your segmentation and optionally a description of your goal. Then choose the type. Auto Segments lets the AI detect the most relevant segments automatically. Custom Segment allows you to define criteria manually. At the bottom, you see the token cost estimation based on panel size. Click Start Segmentation. Processing takes about 20 minutes. When ready, you'll see the Audience Segments Overview, a visual map where each bubble represents a segment sized by its panel share. Lines between bubbles indicate behavioral similarity between segments. On the right, you'll find segment similarities, showing the strongest relationships between clusters with overlap percentages. Below the map, each segment has its own card with a detailed profile: average age, income, geographic area, top interests, education level, and an AI-generated description explaining who these consumers are and what characterizes them. Generated clusters are automatically saved in the Filters tab inside your panel. From there, you can apply them with one click to filter data or use them as audiences for focus groups and surveys. These AI-generated clusters can now filter your panel, target focus groups, or define survey audiences. AI personas let you have conversations with audience segments. Go to Research Lab and click the AI Personas tab. Enter a title and describe your objective. Select your audience, the full panel, or a saved cluster. Click Launch to create your persona. Generation takes about 10 minutes. When ready, you'll see a persona profile card. This summarizes the segment's key characteristics, values, and behaviors. Click Chat to start a conversation. Ask anything. Why they prefer certain brands, what frustrates them about a category, how they make purchase decisions. The persona responds as the segment would respond. It draws on all the attributes of the digital twins it represents. You can ask follow-up questions, dig deeper into motivations, and explore barriers. The conversation is unlimited. When done, the full conversation is saved in projects. Focus groups give you qualitative depth with group dynamics. Go to Research Lab and click the Focus Groups tab. First, select your audience, all digital twins or a saved cluster. Then, enter a name for your focus group. Describe your main goal. What are you trying to learn? Then add up to 5 sub-goals for specific aspects you want to explore. Next, describe how the information will be used. Then set the number of participants with the slider. You can choose from 3 to 8. We recommend 6 to 8 for a balanced discussion. Now describe your participants. First, write a general description of the group, shared traits, behaviors, or demographics. The AI will find the most similar digital twins from your panel. You can also add specific information for each participant. For example, spends €30 per month at the supermarket, or prefers online shopping. Optionally, upload up to 6 images, packaging designs, ad concepts, or visuals you want participants to react to. Click Run the Focus Group. The discussion runs automatically with an AI moderator. Processing takes about 20 minutes. When complete, you'll see the full transcript. Every participant is identified, and you can see who said what throughout the discussion. The Summary tab gives you AI-synthesized insights, key themes, areas of agreement and disagreement, and strategic recommendations. Surveys give you quantitative validation. Before launching, you need to create a questionnaire. Go to Research Lab and click the Questionnaire tab. Here, you build your survey questions. You can add up to 25 questions. Question types include single choice, multiple choice, open text. Also, Likert scales, matrix questions, and rating questions. You can add conditional logic and randomization. When your questionnaire is ready, go back to the Lab tab. Click Launch Survey. Enter a title and describe the survey objective. Select the questionnaire you created. Choose your audience, full panel or a saved cluster. Click Launch. Processing takes about 20 minutes. When ready, you'll see results. The Charts view shows 1 chart per question. You can filter by cluster to compare responses. Each chart can be exported as PNG. The Summary view provides AI-generated analysis, respondent profile, results synthesis, strategic scenarios. The full report includes executive summary and key metrics. Export everything as CSV or PDF. All your completed research lives in projects. Projects shows results for your active panel only. You have 4 tabs. Surveys shows all your completed surveys. AI Personas shows your saved personas. Segmentations shows your completed segmentations. Focus Groups shows all your focus group results. Each card shows title, status, launch date, and audience. Click View Results to open any project. You can export almost everything. Charts export as PNG. Data exports as CSV. Reports export as PDF. Panel composition exports all digital twin attributes. That's DTwin. Create panels, run research, export insights. That's DTwin in action. Create your panel. Run segmentation. Chat with personas. Dive deep with focus groups. Validate with surveys. Export and present. All in hours, not weeks. Start your free trial today. Simulate. Explore, decide.